Hi, I'm Jeff with LDV, and today we're going to go through the HVAC setup on the MT-55 Snap-on franchise truck. Starting with the engine-driven AC, the truck's engine has to be running, and then the controls are right here by the workstation. The fan speed is on the left and the temperature is on the right, so we'll turn it on, make sure the temperature is at cold. And then the unit itself is located in the back above the rear doors. The trucks are also equipped with dash air conditioning that is controlled on the dash itself. So you turn the fan speed on, and then your air conditioning button is right there. The trucks also have a Rooftop Shoreline powered air conditioner unit as well. To turn this on, we have to come up to the front of the truck, turn on the AC main breaker, and then the rear air breaker to put power to the unit itself. Now that we have power to the roof air conditioner unit, you can control the unit at the switches itself. You'll want to make sure to go through those switches pretty slow, otherwise it'll cause a temporary shutdown of the unit itself if you go through them too fast. The trucks are also equipped with a diesel fired furnace that you'll find in the passenger side of the truck underneath the shelving section. These are fired off of the fuel from the truck. There is a pickup tube installed in the fuel tank of the truck down to about a quarter tank, so you don't run your truck out of fuel. And these are powered by the thermostat that is up front at the workstation of the truck that we'll go check out. Alright, now that we're up at the thermostat up in front, we'll show you how to turn the unit on and off. So to turn the unit on, you push and hold the Webasto button on top, set it to your desired temperature, and then push the square button to lock it in, and then push and hold the Webasto button to fire up the furnace. You'll see the red lights illuminate and the squiggly lines in the bottom. That means that the furnace is on. And about every month or so, the red lights will start flashing, letting you know that the furnace needs to be ran. This is a pretty important part of the maintenance, to run it every month or so for 20 minutes, and then it'll shut itself off. Even in the summer months when it's hot outside, you'll just need to keep running the Webasto just for a little bit, just to keep everything fresh and cleaned out in there. There is required maintenance on the roof air conditioner unit. There are two filters, one on each side of the unit. Just open up the tabs and then just blow this off with an air hose. Recommended is about every 2 weeks when the air conditioner is in use.